Let's bake some cookies. Dadgummit, I need a recipe. It's, whoa. No recipe, I'm gonna wing it. I think they're clean. We'll use them. First ingredient of cookies has got to be flour. Flour, nope. Flour, nope. It's like an Easter egg hunt. Ah, ninja flour. Done. I gotta have some more ingredients. Sugar, more sugar. I think, I hope. Salt. Yes, vanilla extract, my favorite. And soda, baking soda. Butter, unsalted. And coconut water. Why not? I need something. Yes. Obviously, this is adult proof. You know what? The heck with it. Good God, how does anyone ever cook in this? You know what? How about some salt? I always, is there salt in cookies? Well, that's fun. Woo! Butter, obviously required. Something is amiss. We cannot have chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. Yes, chocolate chips. Perfect. Let's mix this puppy up. Now, I need a spoon. Aha! It's time to make some cookies.
Jim, we talked about this. No more accents.
So satisfying. Sometimes you just gotta get your hands dirty. Perfect. That looks like a snowman. Maybe not. While we're waiting, let's talk about automation. KeyMark's been around for about 20.
Ding!
Cookies are ready. It's a Christmas miracle. Alex, I told you I can make cookies.